Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can link bank account to Binance. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then you'll need to log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So to add a bank account, you need to tap on the option that is 3D, and on this interface, click on the three dot icon located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. After you tap on the three dot icon, a drop down menu appears, and from the list you need to tap on payment settings. As you click on payment settings, right at the bottom, click on add a new payment method. Now you'll need to select what you actually want to add it. Since you want to link a bank account, so tap on bank transfer located right at the bottom. Now enter in the credential of the bank. That includes entering the name, the account holder, and then the account number, and then the account opening branch. Once you're done entering all of these information, and then click on the continue button, and you'll be receiving 2 small deposit in order to verify your account. So in this way, you can add a bank account to your Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.